Let me tell you a story of the great brown beast of the Fredrick Sound. The Fanshawe was out on a charter run. The guests were all fishing and having their fun. We had a sweet little lady about 84 who'd never been north of Utah before. She ate Jared salmon and the prawns and the stew. Then she went to the head for a moment or two. She emerged with a wink and a delicate grin, saying, "Captain, I think there's a snake I let in." There's a big brown snake living down in the head, filling the crew with a cold sense of dread. It's a Fredrick Sound legend that nobody can tame, the beast with no bones and a terrible name. It's coiled in the darkness, it's blocking the flow, deep in the pipes where the salt water goes. Yeah. Just to freshen her face, and he realized at once the beast in the space. The water was rising, the porcelain groaned. The spirits of mariners whimpered and moaned. She grabbed the gold plunger and she gave it a heave, but the snake didn't budge and it wouldn't take leave. It defied every law of the sea and the land, a gift from a guest that we hadn't quite planned. Watch yourself, watch the wind, keep an eye on the tide. Never look the big brown beast dead in the eye. Chef's cooking's got him grown, getting bigger every day. Better get fixed, Mike. There's a beast that needs slain. Now we're 41 miles out just a-trolling for kings when the guests started yipping about terrible things. They paid a small fortune for the trip of their lives, but they can't use the head with their kids and their wives. We couldn't use suction, we couldn't use prayer, just the scent of the serpent hung thick in the air. The little old lady said it's something gone wrong as the beast in the plumbing grew 6 feet long. Oh, there's a big brown snake living down in the head, filling the crew with a cold sense of dread. It's a Fredrick Sound legend that nobody can tame, the beast with no bones and a terrible name. It's cold in the darkness, it's blocking the flow, deep in the pipes where the salt water goes. Oh yeah. We pinned it to the coal and tied off the line. The captain yelled, "Mike, it is your time to shine." Slayer stepped onto the deck with wrenches in hand, gun on his back. He dove in the bilge with a warrior's cry and took that big Alaskan brown snake right between the eyes. With a twist and a tug, Mike emerged from the bay. The beast had been vanquished. Long live Mike, the hero of the day. Living down in the head, filling the crew with a cold sense of dread. It's a high buzz pointing that nobody can tame. The beast with no bones and a terrible name. It's cold in the darkness, it's blocking the flow. Deep in the pipes where the soul